Economics isn't just about money. It's really about choices. And the principles in economics don't always hold true, but when they do, they really help us to understand how money and life work. And one of the clearest examples of that is compounding. What's stronger than inflation, stronger than lottery tickets, and even stronger than that morning cup of joe? It's compounding. And if you're not using it, you're losing it. Compounding means your money or your effort earns returns, and then those returns earn returns, and then those returns earn returns, and on and on and on. It's your growth on top of growth. If you invest $5 a day, which is the price of a latte or a slice of pizza nowadays, at an average 8% return in 30 years, you won't have $54,000. You will have over $200,000. That's compounding. If you read just 10 pages a day, by the end of the year, you've read over 12 books. And by the end of 5 years, you've read more books and amassed more knowledge than most people you know. That's also compounding. Let's say you're intentional about meeting one new person per month. That's 12 new people per year added to your network. And over time, that really grows. And your influence and your connections metastasize across different industries. Now, when someone needs you or you need them, you both have resources to help you grow. That's compounding. So even if you don't have a ton of money to invest, a little bit of money with discipline will yield huge results. Or if you feel like you don't have time to read, if you just carve out a little bit of time to read a few pages a day, your knowledge and wisdom will grow exponentially. And if you're introverted like myself, but if you make it a point to just meet one person a month, that will have exponential impacts on your network. And you know what they say, your network is your net worth. But maybe you're thinking, what if I started late? Isn't it too late for me? Absolutely not. The best time to start, of course, was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Even small amounts of money or effort grow over time if you let them. The only thing that kills compounding is waiting. Don't wait till the perfect time. Just do it today. So that, my friends, is the power of compounding. A timeless economic principle that really shapes the way our life, our money, and our effort works. And the moral of the money, small, consistent steps grow into big results. Start now, even if it's tiny. Investing $5 a week, $5 a day, 10 minutes of learning a day, reading those 10 pages, doing 10 push-ups or going for a walk for 10 or 20 minutes a day. You may not see the results right away, but compounding rewards consistency, not perfection. So just start. I'm applying the principle of compounding to this channel. Every day, I'm thinking about new ideas, new information that I can share with you that hopefully will help you. And right now, my subscriber base isn't huge, but a year from now, 2 years from now, hopefully it will be. But the one thing I can control is being consistent and doing a little bit every day to make this channel better and working to add value to your life. So what's one thing in your life you want to start compounding today? Is it money, skills, or maybe health? Drop it below in the comments and declare it publicly. The Bible teaches us to speak things that are not as though they were. So when we speak them, we begin the process of manifesting them. I look forward to hearing about what you are going to manifest. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when I drop the next principle of economics so we can grow and learn together.